If you have ever bought a robot vacuum system, you probably noticed that they do clean, but they don't really stay clean while doing it. And over time, you start to notice the small things like the streaks, the inconsistent results, and the areas that they don't get fully clean. So today I'm bringing to you a brand new robot vacuum. This is the Lefant M210 Pro Omni. And the main difference with this one is how it handles the problems, because instead of using the same dirty roller to mop all over the place, it's cleaning itself while doing it. Let's go ahead and get started. Well, this is the Lefant M210 Pro Omni, and the main difference here is how it handles that problem, because instead of just using the same dirty roller throughout the entire clean, it cleans itself while it's running. Now that actually surprised me, because you don't usually get this type of features around this price point and the size. Alright guys, here's the Lefant M210 Pro Omni, and this, let me tell you right now, is a very small unit. I do like it because it doesn't scream out, hey, I have a robot vacuum. It just sits there. It's very small. It looks very nice. And it comes inside of the box. You're gonna have a few accessories like the extra brushes. You have an extra filter, the instructions, the power cord, the extra roller mop, and here is the floor cleaning solution from Lefant. The robot goes inside, it charges, it self-cleans, it self-empties, and also dries the mop and washes it. So very cool, very small unit, and I'm excited to test it out. And I think that having a self-cleaning roller plays a very crucial role, because as it moves, the roller is constantly being rinsed and scraped at the same time. So instead of dragging the dirt across the floor, it's always working with the cleaner surface. Now let's be real, because you won't necessarily need to see a dramatic difference instantly, but over time you notice that the floor looks more even and less streaky because the cleaning surface isn't getting overloaded. And another thing that this does well is how it applies pressure while mopping, because the roller presses down consistently, which helps remove the dried and light stains without needing multiple passes. Up next is the design advantage, because this is one of the smaller roller style robots, so it can get into tighter spaces under furniture, around the edges, where usually the larger robots, they tend to struggle. You also have some practical benefits, because for everyday cleaning, this is where it makes the most sense. It's not about handling an extreme mess, it's about staying consistent without you needing to step in. It's also convenient because you've got a larger dustbin, so you're not emptying it consistently, and since it avoids the disposable bags, it's more cost efficient over time. And when it comes to carpets, when it detects the carpet, it avoids the mopping mode, so you're not dealing with the wet surfaces on the carpet. Alright guys, one thing that I did want to point out, it was the fact that the Lefant M210 is all about keeping up with maintenance. So I'm very excited about this test, because this is not about a very big powerful suction, but rather just to keep up with the small debris that you have day to day. So I'm very excited to see how it does and what the results are going to be. Alright guys, as far as the platform goes, this one is the app, and it's a very simple app. Just go straight into it. You're gonna see the map of your home. You're gonna do either the whole home to clean, just press play and it starts cleaning. You have the suction power settings here, the suction power, the custom mode. We have suction power to be either quiet, standard, powerful, or super powerful. The water flow to be either none, medium, or the high level of water. Also, if you want to wash the mop, how often and how long, and the custom mode here for the specific room cleaning that you want to do. So I think the biggest difference here isn't going to be how aggressively it cleans, but how consistent it does it without the roller becoming a problem. So I think if you're getting started into robot vacuums for your home, this is going to make sense if you want a low maintenance daily cleaning, you care about the consistent results, or you have tighter spaces to clean, but it may not be good if you're looking for something for heavy duty messes. So in my opinion, I think this isn't trying to do everything differently. It's fixing a specific issue that most robot mops still have, and once you notice that difference, it makes the whole cleaning process feel more reliable. So if you want something that stays consistent without needing a constant maintenance, I think the Lefant M210 Pro Omni is worth checking out. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and check out the link in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. Stay tuned for more content. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.